Hold on a second. Let's see. Hello, folks. In a previous video, I was working on a bearing race. Well, I had a problem. The previous owner of this bike left the race in here. So when I sent it out to get powder coated, I didn't know there was already one in there. So now it's, you can see it's a little deeper. Before I made a video, banged it in there, and this thing got stuck. The newer one. It got stuck. What happened was I didn't know there was an older one in there. So this one was in there. That was powder coated in place. You can see it's black. And this one got stuck in front of it. So it was like this. It was becoming a little racist. Just kidding. So yeah, I had to take my brand new sucker. Oh, this is an old one. I tried to cut that one out. But then once I got one side out, as you can see me here. Why the hell is this thing dark? Once I got one side out, I used this thing. I ran it through, put this nice, I think it's 4140 hardened, this is a hardened steel rod. I bought it to make something, and I already made it, and I have a leftover one. I think it can take like 100,000 I don't know, there's some ridiculous, this rod's worth about $50. I bought it at a McMaster car. It can take a shitload of pressure. So anyway, and I only scratched it right there, but it'll be covered, so no big deal. This powder coating craft's pretty strong. So anyway, with that said, in my face in the shadows, I'm gonna sand it out because I gotta get the powder coat in, and it should slide in. Should. So with that said, yay, I got it done. So then I can put where is it? Actually, I'll show you what happened to the other one. The other one looks like this. I cut a little X into it, and then I basically, I'll show you the other side. I blew it out with a chisel and just broke it right out. So it had a little bit of spring left in it, and it popped it out. And I had to do a little bit of, problem is with Dremel bits. See, I have Dremel bits, and the problem with the Dremel bits was if you use these old Dremel, I don't even know if they make these anymore, Easy Lock bits, they're too wide. And I could not find the old school regular tiny bits. Well, I found the grinding disc, but I couldn't find the holder, so it took me forever. And the little bearing puller didn't do shit on this thing because it was powder coated in place. So, bought a $30 bearing puller for zero reason. No reason whatsoever, other than I wasted money on that. But hey, it's good to have. I've actually, a slide hammer is probably worth more than the freaking other thing. So, it's all good. Yay! I might look at it rolling now. So, stay tuned and keep watching.